Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm just doing a gel polish design set on my flexi finger. So I'm just starting off with these tips I've placed in to my flexi hand, and I'm going in with Wicked White from Goddess from Nirvana Nail Supplies. I will link everything below as usual anyway. So I'll just let you watch and come back when I need to. So now I'm just going to come in with Dove from Goddess again. I'm just going to apply a coat of that to the pinky finger. Now I'm just coming in with Sand, also from Goddess. And I'm just going to apply that to what would be the index finger. I've got to say, I love these gel polishes. The coverage on the first coat is amazing, although I do still apply 2 coats just because that's what I do with gel polish. It's just how I was taught. So just applying that, and also making sure that you cap the free edge with gel polish always. From base coat to top coat, always cap, because otherwise you'll get chipping and peeling. So now I'm just coming in with the white again and applying my second coat. Obviously I've already cured that in between, but I've cut that out so that you're not waiting around watching nothing. Now I'm going to come in with Dove again, apply the second coat to the little finger. Working in really thin coats as well, guys. You get amazing coverage with it anyway, so you don't need to do it thick, but gel polish always works better when you do it in thin coats. Otherwise you'll get shrinkage and wrinkles and it not curing properly. So I'm just coming in now with that sand again on the index finger, and then obviously cure that. Now I'm just coming in with these hollow flakes from Sparkle Supplies UK, which I will also link below. As usual, I'm just coming in with a glitter brush and just picking some up. I didn't want to pick up too much. And just dabbing that into the tacky layer of the white gel polish. I just work really small, like really, small with this because I didn't want too much on there, if that makes sense. I'm just trying to get off the finger there because it's a silicone finger, everything sticks to it, so. And then I'm just going in on the middle finger and doing the same thing. And these flakes are beautiful, they're just super hollow. I just love them. So now I'm just coming in with my top coat, which today, because it's just on my practice hand, I'm using the Born Pretty top coat. On a client I would usually use the Goddess to go with the polish. So I'll just apply that and cure it. And now I'm just coming in with some more top coat, but on a detailer brush. I'm just going to put a stripe down the index finger and the little finger, and then I'm just going to come in with diamond dust from Sparkle Supplies and sugar that over the uncured layer that I've just applied, and then cure that in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. Once that's cured, now I'm just coming in with that glitter brush again and just dusting off any excess left on the nail. And then I'll also come in with that wipe I've got there, the cotton pad with gel residue wipe off solution to take off any other excess, but I'll just dab it because obviously I've sugared the glitter, so I don't want any fibres from that cotton pad to be stuck to the nail, to the glitter. So I'm just dabbing it off rather than rubbing and swiping. Sorry guys, I don't know what I was doing here. Now I'm just going to come in with, I think it's sand, yeah, sand from Goddess again, and just apply a little bit to my striper brush. I'm just going to apply a few little lines here and there. And then on the index finger I'm just going to come in with Dove and do the same sort of thing. A little bit different, but so I'll just let you watch. And then there's a little clip of the finished result and a little photo at the end. So I hope you like this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you all for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.